I like to enjoy my work. I don't want it to feel like a task. That's a part of my life. That's not my whole life.
पता था हमारी मेरी लाइफ है, मेरी किस्मत ही फूटी है। जब भी मैं ऐसा कोई बड़े प्रोजेक्ट में जाता हूँ ना, I was always been removed or somebody's always replaced me.
My relationship with Sanjay sir's true love. I really, really love him.
With the social media and stardom can happen literally in an instant.
Sanjay Leela Bhansali believes in praising his actors.
Yes.
When they deserve it.
When they deserve
When they
it.
deserve it.
Which
Yeah.
we
ये
yes,
जो
Sabhi.
operative word
He does
है.
praise his actors. But doesn't he? Sona?
इनको तो हमेशा दुल्हन जैसा सजाया जाता था।
Even men were equally like
Especially with the fur hats.
fur hats and your shawls.
Yeah, it did get hot.
Very casual person, like in terms of my personal dressing. For me, I'm done with that heavy stuff.
Everybody thinks I wake up in a sharara. I don't. I live in my Patawa jeans.
Okay.
But I do love dressing up.
I don't love dressing up at all. So it
I
was
love
a
it.
very different vibe for me.
Hi guys. नहीं, आज ये नहीं बोलेंगे. आज हम बोलेंगे आदाब.
आदाब आदाब अर्ज़े।
अमूमन उर्दू इस तरीके से बोली नहीं जाती जो कि नाकाबिले बर्दाश्त हो. पर आप सबका नूर कुछ इस तरह का था कि हम भी ऊपर से नीचे तैयार होकर आए हैं. नानी जान के इयररिंग्स,
Mashallah.
अब्बा जान की दी हुई घड़ी, अपने मेहनत से खरीदे हुए कपड़े. But I want to say, I've binge watched the 5 episodes already. But honestly, you guys were amazing. Are you feeling light? Because वहाँ पे तो सब कुछ head to toe तैयारी थी.
इनको तो हमेशा दुल्हन जैसा सजाया जाता था।
Even men were equally like
Especially with the fur hats.
fur hats and your shawls.
Yeah, it did get hot.
So how tough is it to be in character and to be in distractingly beautiful clothes and jewelry and accessories? What was that?
For me, I'm done with that heavy stuff.
But I loved it. I loved the suits. I loved the
The
angrakhas.
shawl, yeah.
The shawls. I just, it was a vibe.
You know, like everybody thinks I wake up in a sharara. I don't. I live in my Patawa jeans.
Okay.
But I do love dressing up.
I don't love
Yeah.
dressing up at all. So it
I
was
love
a
it.
very different vibe for me.
आप बताइए एज एन एक्टर, ये हमने सुना है कि बहुत टफ होता है टू मेक संजय लीला भंसाली हैप्पी और टू इम्प्रेस हिम. हाउ वाज इट फॉर यू?
मैंने भी सुना था बट मुझसे हो गया. No,
When she
really.
does one take shot, of course, it's gonna happen.
I know that song. Oh my God, that was
thank
lovely,
you.
which was released,
Thank
and
you
that's
so
one
much.
take.
Yeah, it was an insane experience. But I like to enjoy my work. I don't want it to feel like a task. I don't want to be overwhelmed by it. That's a part of my life. That's not my whole life.
Taha, coming to you. अब तो हमें आदत हो रही है आपको पीरियड ड्रामा में देखने की.
I'm following her footsteps clearly.
Yes. When you got to know that you're part of this project, पहले तो आप मुझे बताओ कि कितना टाइम लगा. I read somewhere that you had to do multiple rounds of auditions.
Actually, what happened was that I chased an audition, just one, any कोई भी audition, for 15 months. मैंने श्रुति महाजन को फोन करके ना मैंने उनको तंग कर दिया था. फिर उन्होंने मुझे मतलब तंग आके मुझे बोला भाई तू ले audition, ठीक है? And she gave me the audition and it was for a 3-day role.
Yeah.
So I did the audition, I signed on to that. फिर अचानक से कॉल आता है उनके ऑफिस से that I want, sir wants to meet you. And he spoke to me for about some time and then he said, okay, fine, you know what? I want to give you Balraj's role. And he increased my role from the 3-day role. And I said, oh, wow, this never happens to me in my career. So I went for the look test, passed that, hopefully. And I was working on that. While I was working on that contract, I get another call after 2-3 weeks. And he's like, sorry, sir, kind of changed his mind. मुझे पता था मेरी लाइफ है, मेरी किस्मत ही फूटी है. जब भी मैं ऐसा कोई बड़े प्रोजेक्ट में जाता हूँ ना, मतलब I was always been removed or somebody's always replaced me. I was very depressed. I went to him and I just apologized. And he said, bet. And he told me that, I see something in you and I want you for the lead of the project. I want you for Tajdar's role. And I'm like, what? What are you saying? And he's like, you don't want it. I said, I'm not understanding what's happening over right now. This has never happened to me. Yes, I want it.
Aditi,
Thank you.
coming to you, हम बाकी टीम से भी बात कर रहे थे. How would you describe your relationship with Mr. Bhansali?
My relationship with Sanjay sir's true love. I really, really love him. It's almost like he dreams for you. And he's very intuitive. And he wants to do something that he believes that you can do.
Fardeen, when I saw you in the series, I was like, where was he all this time? We didn't know this is the comeback that we all wanted. There's almost been a gap of 14 years.
Yes, 12 since I started working, but yeah.
And there was this whole phase in the middle where you were spotted somewhere, aapki ek picture aayi, there were a lot of comments. You got a lot of support as well as a lot of trolling, which I think must have been new to you because the world kind of and social media has changed things around you.
I was away, literally cut off from the industry. I wasn't really engaged with what was going on here, or with my audiences, or with social media. With actors today, I mean, they're growing up with the social media, and stardom can happen literally in an instant. Coming back has been, an extremely positive experience. I have to say that I'm extremely grateful to the warmth and positivity I've received from people who've been fans of mine and who followed my work, and mostly everyone has been extremely positive with my recent pictures and whatever has been released so far.
आप सबने काम किया है और बड़े the myth, the legend जैसे बोलते हैं ना, संजय लीला बंसाली. So since you guys know him so well, I am fully dependent on you to help bust certain myths. Okay, so I'm going to say a statement और आप मुझे बताइए वो सही है नहीं है क्या है. Sanjay Leela Bhansali has a great sense of humor.
He does.
And he also makes great jokes, by the way.
Yeah.
He does. Some people might not understand it because one time on set he's making jokes and he's like, "These guys don't understand my jokes," and I'm like, "Yeah, I get it."
Okay, Sanjay Leela Bhansali can sing beautifully.
Yes.
Yeah.
He also has a
Okay.
beautiful voice.
Sanjay Leela Bhansali believes in praising his actors.
Yes.
To the
When they deserve it.
When they deserve
when they
it.
deserve.
Yeah.
Yeah.
ये जो operative word
He does
है.
praise his actors. But doesn't he? Sona?
He believes in it rarely, but he does.
That's not. If he likes something, doesn't he praise?
That's what I'm
That's what
saying.
I'm
He
saying.
rarely
बोला
likes
ना
something, no, then
If he rarely
When
likes
they
something, he
deserve
won't
it
have a
more.
release.
Okay, apart from
let's just
Aditya,
say he's tough to please.
he never insists on single take.
No,
No,
not at all.
I think that
He does what's necessary.
I think
Yeah.
he does I mean, he shoots the master, and I mean, hopefully we're well trained enough to actually do it. And then if he requires any cuts, he would
No,
definitely.
for him, the rhythm of the scene is very important. So sometimes the scene is one
Yeah.
one shot. Yeah.
one shot. Sorry,
And,
not one.
yeah, one
He
shot.
actually does
One
like
shot.
those long takes.
Yeah,
you know.
yeah.
So
No, but as
one
actors, is
shot,
it tough? Is it?
He's truly one of those few people who's really mastered his craft,
But
which
there
is
are
excellent.
no compromises. The change
Exactly.
is made only if he believes in the change.
Okay, he's a huge foodie.
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Huge
And his
foodie.
dabba is very yummy.
His dabbas are very yummy,
Oh my
and
God.
he loves my
He'll-
mom's cooking also. So he keeps asking for it.
Yeah. Biryani also. He keeps asking for that.
Thank you. It was an absolute pleasure. Adab.
Thank you.
Fever FM happening है.